The Handling Guide Online is the new engineering tool for Festo handling systems. With this tool, handling systems can be configured simply and fast. The Handling Guide Online helps customers find the right handling system in just 3 steps. Enter your application data. The software will calculate the right handling system for you. You can then configure your preferred system according to your requirements. And that's it. Now simply order it from the Festo online shop. It could hardly be easier. If your requirements are not covered by the defined standard range, just send us your data. We'll then provide you with an individual offer. The Handling Guide Online is fast. The right handling system in just 20 minutes, including CAD model and datasheet. Intuitive. The Handling Guide Online is very easy to use and features structured prompts for data input. Reliable. Immediate display of net prices allows you to calculate your costs with certainty. Efficient. Minimum effort is required and the handling system is delivered very quickly. The Handling Guide Online helps customers find the right handling system in just 3 steps. First, choose the type of handling system and enter your application data. It's best to log into the system right at the start. This way you can utilize the complete functionality of the software. Start the Handling Guide Online using the Festo product range catalog. Then select Handling Systems, Cartesian Systems, and then click on the system of your choice. Alternatively, simply enter festo.com/handling-guide and the Handling Guide Online will start directly. On the home page, you'll find an overview of the various types of handling systems: the single-axis system, 2D linear gantry, 2D planar surface gantry, and the 3D gantry. Select the handling type needed for your movement. Animations will show you the basic movement of the respective handling type. All systems are based on the standard Festo product range. The components used are perfectly harmonized and guarantee reliable operation. In the following steps, the Handling Guide Online will systematically request your application data. In this example, we'll enter values that can be covered by a standard system. The payload includes the front unit and the workpiece. For the Z-axis, both electric and pneumatic axes can be selected. Our example shows an electric axis. When we change the motor position, the graphic adapts accordingly. Should you have any questions, the information windows will provide assistance. The reference cycle shows the worst-case movement. This is the cycle that places the heaviest load on the handling system. The maximum stroke is therefore preset as the travel distance. Of course, you can change these values if necessary. The travel time includes a double cycle, that is, there and back. The handling guide online assumes that an optimized motion, that is the XY movement, begins at approximately 50% of the Z stroke. Querying of your application data is thus complete. The software calculates suitable systems for your application. We are now leaving the standard path and will change the length of the x-axis. The display changes from Standard System to On Request. Click here to receive information on the limits of the standard range. The other values remain unchanged. At this point, the handling guide online cannot calculate a standard solution. However, all the entered data can be sent to us directly. Our experts will then create an individual offer on the basis of this data. Now select your handling system and you'll immediately receive the CAD model, the datasheet, and the net price. You'll be shown a list of suitable system solutions, including the workload data. The least expensive system is at the top of the list. You can sort the list based on system series, system workload, or repetition accuracy. Select a system. You'll then be shown the associated technical data in the display below. You can now download the correctly configured CAD model and the datasheet and call up the net price. The CAD model can be downloaded in all the usual formats, or it can be sent by mail. This means that it can be integrated immediately into your system design. If you're not logged in, you only have access to PDFs and neutral 2D and 3D formats. The datasheet shows all the relevant data of the selected handling system. This system has the following structure. The selection summarizes all the data entered. The next section lists the technical data of the selected handling system. And the system overview includes all the components, including the links to the datasheets. Under Request Price, you'll be given information on the net price. For this, log in to Festo. Further information on the selected handling type can be found in Documentation. You can save and load your handling systems. This helps with repeat orders. With standard handling systems as well, you can send a request. All the data entered is sent to us, and we'll help you select a system. Now you can configure your selected system and place your order. Select your preferred system from the list of suggestions. You can now make your decision using the details of the last version. On the basis of the data already entered, the recommended settings are automatically pre-selected. Of course, you can change these if necessary. We recommend ordering the Festo motor and motor controller package also, as the calculation of the system is based on this and it will guarantee smooth functioning. Depending on the type of motor controller, you can choose between two safety categories. If you add digital inputs and outputs to your package, a plug-in card will also be supplied with the controller. If you choose a multi-turn sensor, the sensor package is not needed and it's automatically deselected. You can add it again if required. If a Z-axis is available, the motor is equipped with a motor brake as standard. With respect to the mechanical system, you can choose between two types of mounting. With the adjusting kit, you have the advantage that you can adjust the system. This means that a high-precision mounting surface is not needed. The minimum cable length is the length of all cables and hoses from the energy chain output to the respective control cabinet. With regard to the mounting method, you have two options. If you choose the complete assembly, the handling system is completely mounted. Cables and hoses are installed in the energy chains and the system is checked. In the case of part assembly, the system is delivered in separate modules and final assembly is carried out by the customer. The printed user documentation complies with the specifications of the EC Machinery Directive. Your system is now fully configured and you can call up the price, the data sheet, and the CAD model in its final format. You can now add the system to your basket. Now go to the shopping basket. Here you'll find the complete handling system as a single item. This significantly reduces the amount of effort needed to order the system. The ordering process is then completed as usual in the Festo online catalogue.